Erin here with Birth Prep Doulas at the beautiful Platinum Health, Fitness, and Yoga in Ormond Beach. I just wanted to go over in this video a little bit of side core. So we obviously don't practice when we're pregnant and have a belly full of baby sit-ups or anything like that, but we can strengthen the sides of our body, our obliques area, and work on strengthening that, preparing for baby's arrival. So I'm going to show you a few exercises today. All you'll need is a place to lay down. If you have a mat, that's great. You also may want to find a cushion or maybe a blanket to place underneath your hip. So we're going to begin just by laying down on your left side body. And I want you to imagine, as you lay down, that you have a block or something behind you standing up. So we don't want to lean the body back as we work the side body. We want to stay forward. So you can rest your head down to the earth, or you can prop your head up. Just make sure you're not cranking your neck. So we're going to start with little mermaid kicks. So straighten the legs out and see if you can lift the left thigh off of the mat. And we're just going to move the feet up and down. You can go slow, you can move faster. And again, try to keep the weight in your right palm rather than turning the hips back and knocking over that block. So then we're going to stop the bottom leg, and we're just going to move the top leg nice and slow, keeping the bottom leg at a hover. So you're already starting to feel it. Maybe you felt it as soon as we started. Be kind and use your breath. Compassionate to your body. It's very important to listen to what's happening. Feeling uncomfortable or a little bit tired is okay, but any pain that you may be experiencing maybe just means you need to back off, come out a little bit, maybe rest the bottom leg down. It's up to you. Now let's stop the top leg and see if we can bring the bottom leg up to meet the top. Really activating those muscles now, squeezing the inner thighs together, and utilizing a very strong breath. Let's do 2 more. Beautiful. Lower the legs down. Maybe give yourself a little massage, rubbing out the hip. And then we're going to bend the knees in towards the chest. And we're going to come into an exercise called clamshells. So we're going to lift the right knee up, and then we're just going to tap it down. Really working the outer right hip and the glute area. Again, it's very important to strengthen all of these muscles, preparing for labor and delivery. Getting ready to meet that beautiful baby growing inside of you. So the hip may be feeling a little bit tired. Let's continue. 4 more. Beautiful. We're going to keep that top leg at a hover. Draw the knee in towards the chest. Flex the foot. And without rolling back, we're going to kick the foot back. Hug the knee in towards your chest. And very slowly and gently kick the leg back behind you without moving the hip. Inhale. Exhale. Bring it in. Release it back. 2 more. And relax it down again. Take time in between to give yourself a little massage. And then gently and slowly, we'll roll onto the other side. So coming onto your right hip, remembering you can utilize this cushion underneath your hip or maybe a blanket. Resting down, whatever is comfortable for your head in position. Lifting the legs up and beginning those mermaid kicks. Continuing to breathe rhythmically. Maybe turning on some tunes, imagining you're splashing around in the water. And then stopping the bottom leg and just raising the top leg up and lower. And then stopping the top leg, bringing the bottom leg up, squeezing inner thighs. Squeezing inner thighs. Let's do 3 more. And then relax the legs down. Bring the knees in towards the chest, and we'll come into our clamshells on this side. So lifting the knee up, and then lowering down. Lifting up, and lower. Trying not to tilt back, leaning back, keeping the weight in the palm of your left hand. And let's do 2 more. Beautiful. Keep that top leg at a hover. Pull it in towards your chest. Flex the foot and then gently kick it back behind you. Draw it in. Knee comes up towards the elbow and then kick it back. Continuing to breathe smoothly, rhythmically, with control. Drawing it in. Kicking it back, drawing it in, taking it back, drawing it in, and back. 2 more. Awesome. Rest the leg down, give yourself a little massage, and when you feel ready, gently pushing yourself up back to a seat. I thank you so much for tuning into our YouTube channel. The divine light dwelling within me honors, bows, and respects that beautiful divine light in all of you. Namaste.